Channel, everybody. Thank you so much for clicking the video, and on your way in, just smash that like button, subscribe. Thank you so much for visiting my channel, where you'll receive the tools to invest in the cryptocurrency market with confidence. So on this video today, I'm going to be going over how you're able to find undervalued coins. And the first PowerPoint I would like to present is the price. Right, the first point is the price. Where is the price of the particular asset? I'm looking at EOS. I'm just going over how I found undervalued coins. I'm looking at EOS, and right now it's at $2.49. It's almost at all-time lows. Almost, not really all-time lows, but it's at the low of the market. So we can see at this particular moment in time that the particular asset is at a low place. And the next thing we want to look at, after we look at the price, we want to look at the market cap, right? What is the market cap in comparison to the price? And as we can see here on this particular chart, on coin market cap, which is free for anyone. So if you're new to get into crypto space, and again, this video is not for that person you've been in probably in the crypto for like the last couple years. This is not necessarily for you, or maybe it is, and maybe you've not. This is not something you found out about, but this is what I've found to be helpful. And so, as you can see, the market cap in comparison to the price at this point is slightly overvalued. The market cap and the price are pretty much almost at the same place, so it's there. It's kind of saying that where it needs to be. I'd like to go to another coin. Again, we're going to do the same principle again. I'd like to go and find Loopring. I found out about Loopring while doing some research on this website I want to give a shout out to, called Musari, Musari.io. And I went into the DeFi space, and as you can see, Loopring was in the top 10 in DeFi. And as you can see at this particular moment in time, I think Uniswap is really killing it, and Aave is killing it, and Synthetics is at number 3, which I said I would do a video on Syntax, but I digress. Loopring, right? When I found it, it was at around $300 and something million in market cap. However, it was in the top 10, and the price was 17 cents, right? And I said, wow, that is really interesting. And I made a video, the video that I have on my channel entitled 4 Undervalued Coins. I put it as as an honorable mention, and I'm going to put that video in the description and in the video card right now, so you can go and check it out. That I'm not making this up. And about a couple days or a week after that, this thing shot all the way up to 60 cents. I believe Loopring is still undervalued, but the principle is, look at where the price is, right? Is the price at a place where it's at the bottom, it's at a low, and compare that to the market cap, right? Compare that to the market cap of the price. Now, the third principle, the third thing you need to look at now are the use cases, right? The use cases. How is the technology being implemented currently? What are the plans to implement the technology? And to be honest with you, there are not a lot of places you can find use cases that are current. One of the most basic ways, and really the free way, is literally to go on to the website for the actual project, right? So if you go onto the website, I'm trying to find a website here. So if you go onto the website, they will usually, here we go. They will usually give some information about the use cases, right? If you just do some search around scalable, they usually tell the projects that they're working on. It also tells you who's backing them. That's another principle to use, to what kind of companies backing them. Are they credible? So that also gives some idea into the potential of that particular coin. But I think the best place to research use cases is Musari. Unfortunately, the service isn't free. There's some free articles on this website, but in order to get into the real meat of what they're offering, they offer a pro service, which you're able to then find out the use cases. And if there are use cases to that project, the price is low, it's way underneath the market cap. And I've found just my personal preference, I'd love to see something that's over, it needs to be like in the $200 to $300 million range, that I think it's at a place where the price is able to go off. And then I also throw in a fourth thing, is technical analysis. This is my fourth point, my fourth principle in finding undervalued coins, and it's the price action, right? Now, this particular principle requires more of experience with technical analysis. However, you can learn that principle by simply going onto YouTube, searching people on teaching how to do technical analysis. But I also have a course in which I offer how to do technical analysis. Link will be in the description if you do choose to do so. So pretty much this is how this what has worked for me. This is how I'm able to find breakouts in the market. This is how I was able to see loop ring, to find loop ring on the breakout. This is how I was able to spot the breakout on Polkadot. I was looking at Polkadot when it was right around $5, right? The market cap, comparing it compared to the price, completely undervalued, and the breakout happened on loop ring. I mean, the examples can go on, but I don't want to drag this video out. I just wanted to make a quick video to give those of you who are new to the space some quick tools that you can apply right away. I hope this has helped. All right, guys, remember to like and subscribe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and catch you all on the next one.